to the channel, everybody. Today we're working on a S13 with an RB20. We're going to be building a full stainless steel exhaust for this. I've kind of already started a little bit before I decided, hey, I should probably film this. So right now what I've got going on is I've got the downpipe pretty much situated here. So the upper portion, we've got it kind of tacked together for now. We'll do some video of welding this guy out. Right now the next piece I have is this 45 that'll be coming from underneath the downpipe down to where the stock cat area was. I've got the downpipe all good to go. I just need to weld it out, and then we've got pretty much the whole back portion of this thing all tacked together, ready to go. I just finished up fitting the last piece. So I have the last piece that goes there, and this is all going to get, this is all vibrant piping, which works really nice. And then it's getting, of course, that HKS High Power. Gotta love those mufflers. Okay, I've slacked pretty hard on filming this process of welding everything out on this exhaust, but I've got the downpipe all welded out. I've got the pipe going from the downpipe all the way to the muffler all welded out. I just need to weld the muffler itself on and then do the O2 bungs. Right here I have this kind of set up. I've marked out where our O2 bungs are going to go. When you do these, you always want to make sure you're on this top half. So never like below this point on the pipe. Always want to be up somewhere in here for your O2 sensor or wideband. In this circumstance, this car is getting a standalone system, so we're going to do one sensor for the wideband and then an extra sensor for the tuner, so that if he needs to put his own wideband in there, he can, and he has the accessibility to do so. So that'll be the next step. I'm going to drill these holes out, and then I will TIG on these O2 bungs.